Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about vocabulary adventure with the letter G. Let's go. Gain, arjan kara. I want to gain knowledge. Garden, bagan. She works in the garden every day. Gather, ekotro kora. Let's gather flowers. General, sadharon. This is a general rule. Giant, Dvaita ba Bishal. A giant appeared in the fairy tale. Gift, Upahar. He gave me a birthday gift. Goal, Lokho. My goal is to become a doctor. Goat, Chagol. The farmer has a black goat. Gold, Shona. She wore a gold necklace. Game, Khela. They are playing a cricket game. Group, Dal. Our class was divided into groups. Grow, Bere Utha. Trees grow tall in this climate. Guide, Guide ba path pradorshok. The guide showed us the museum. Glove, Dostana. He wore gloves in winter. Ghost, Bhoot. The story is about a ghost. Grain, Shashyo ba Shashyo dana. Rice is a kind of grain. Guest, Atithi. We have a guest tonight. Gamepad, game খেলার যন্ত্র. I bought a new gamepad for my PC. Garage, Garage. The car is in the garage. Gesture, Angobhungi. She made a kind gesture. Genius, Pratibhaban Byakti. She is a math genius. Geography, Bhugol. Geography is my favorite subject. Grateful, Kritagya. I am grateful for your help. Guard, Prahari. The guard is standing at the gate. Galaxy, Galaxy ba Chayapath. The Milky Way is a galaxy. Gatekeeper, Darrokhok. The gatekeeper stopped us. Giggle, Khil kore hasha. The baby giggled at the sound. Glossy, Chokchoke. She used glossy paper for the poster. Gradually, Dhire Dhire. He gradually improved in math. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.